Actually, I'm not feeling good. Some cold like something. I don't know whether these fellows have put some chemicals or anything again. My head and all it's paining, and so many things, so many changes are happening. I don't know what is this. Yes, na? Whenever I go out, these fellows will enter into my room and that keys in the here in Calvary, the entire shops are under their control, entire people, and all nonsense fellows. For what purpose this fellow? Actually, see how the Delhi police culture of frauds are attacking and the doubles. Today I went to meet the ACP that Virendra Jain, culture for what was this kind of that girl, that lady, that culture, she was turning my hand there. Culture, not even having any education or culture parties. Go and sell your wife for daughter or sister and grab culture education parties. And so, you need to understand one thing. I have seen this message. I don't know what is happening to my head and all. This actually as soon as possible kill this Pushpa Bhattacharya and this Rangam Banerjee, these all devils. I have posted all the photos that all the photos people should be killed. Actually, also one thing you don't get. Actually, I know that this was supposed to this diabetic first patient has to prove so that is because now how that prostitute Livia Matana is putting 24 bars of sugar to you. He's a number one. Straight prostitutes will behave much more quality and dignity. That much chara. This is what IIT Rajasthan limits because na, these fellows are not having much eligibility or education or nothing. This is with the politicians also, the police officers and judiciary, everybody. IIT bombs, people are all IIT like that. See, these all are, see the real caliber people are there, that process. They won't go beyond like this or anything. They are always 24 bars 7 busy with their work. This kind of culture of frauds stick around by sucking the legs and somehow arrange the IIT tag, and these fellows are living with the IIT tag by marketing and selling all the people's hard work. And these kind of kachara pushpa kind of fellows are not doing anything, not even knowing ABCD of anything. They say well these are all fellows and all. So don't get misconfused. Actually, these fellows are illuminated, so that kind of kachara fellows will be getting that's sort of watching which is these all fellows are getting excited and all. You need to understand that the Rajis lobby, how this is what their way of actions, how they are screwing up at each other. This is I know that how these fellows are screwed up my sister by controlling the entire NIC and our colleagues and all through that screwing up and what are the thing. I am telling that the education matters because my sister is MCA. So even though she is a scientist, they lack the technical knowledge of us we engineers have. That's the thing. So that's the thing. These fellows are able to fool them. Even that's what. Then in that case of these kind of politicians or fellows and just think that these police, judiciary and all. That's a difference. That's what. Even though whatever the courses we are going, everything has impact in our personality, understanding everything. So that's why I'm telling. See, no. Also the Congress people have some what commitment to the nation. Please understand that none of you will be ever able to throw to these fellows because even though how much you people are arranging, that's not going to work out because now these fellows are that much cunning childhood devils. Will screw up nice, will talk and will cut the neck on the back. That's what these pushbacks. How he between trapped me and on the back, what he was doing that, arranging that. What this fake terrorist report or something only he have prepared. That's sort of that Mali people has come and stayed in the house and took into use under that to fool trap everybody. And see these all stories these fellows only will create. That's what today I posted that Trump assassination is a fake like that. These fellows are put a post that I wanted to show purposefully how these fellows are creating the fake stories. But Trump assassination is a real thing. That's the thing. So this is what these devils. So reality don't get into except nothing, nobody. So even though how much they are arranging, nothing is going to save or help you. Everything is for devastation. Their aim is to devastate you forever. Because now, after knowing that publicity, that's the reason they are trying their level best. They will now to block me and then to take you out of India and finish. That's the thing. Even this, they will scrub. That's the thing. End of all the Congress, everything they will do like that. Their monopoly. And this Pushpa, his madness and his jealousy, ego, frustration, cunningness party will devastate everything. So today I went to meet the police officers also. So they were also asking that. So what? Why I am not moving legally? And this fellow is fooling to everybody that I am lying. That's the reason I am moving. Party prostitute nine mone patti. This fellow is dangerous poison. This bastard is living. I went to Kerala High Court. This fellow so blocked all the each and every advocates through Kerala Bar Association that not to take up my case, and then changed the judges who are all there, threatened everybody. The same thing they have done in Bombay High Court also. In Supreme Court also, who are all the advocates I went and met, they have blocked it. Even that's how when I was about to meet the Chief Justice, at that time only this fellow so brainwashed him and tantric trap made under him under his control. And also when I was about to meet the Chief Justice, at that time only this fellow started and threatened you to took into Kedarnath to do the mind control. And then the same way this. The same way I met many judges. Everybody suffered. Everybody said I went to meet the registrar. Everything, everywhere, 24/7 blocking. And then now project CI. Then when I wanted to have a mental evaluation, I went to all the hospital. They blocked, and I went to army hospital. So they have blocked. Mamisha called the army chief and blocked, right? So then I went to Patel House Court. So the judge who is in this area, that they have changed him. And then the district judge, so they have threatened and created the shows and all. This is what this crack party is doing. But I know, see, one more thing is there. See, this case is not only one place, it's distributed across India and the world. So they required a great thing. Also, the way to approach. That's why I'm preparing. But these fellows are spoiling my all laptops and all the libraries wherever I'm going attacking. So many things, 24/7. So with a boneless tongue, anybody can eject out the dialogues. But that is not the reality. It requires effort. In place of me, any of you are there, you would have been 1,000 times committed suicide and mad, absolute madness. Okay, so much അതിൻ്റെ പോലീസ് കച്ചറ പൊട്ടിന്ന് അടി പുണ്ടച്ച മുള നീ ഒരാൾ ടച്ചിട്ട് പോയിട്ട് നിന്റെ ഫാമിലി എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലി വിൽ ബ്ലേസ് നീ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തോ കച്ചറ തുക്കളക്കറോട് പോയി പൊട്ടികളെ പോയി ചരയ്ക്കാൻ നടക്കട്ടെ നാണം കെട്ട ആണും പെണ്ണും കെട്ട പൊട്ടി പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട്സിന് പോകണം ബാസ്റ്റേഡ്സ് കച്ചറ പൊട്ടികൾ I know the Congress also have roles that rational lobby and party. And I'll give with her. Better than where you again, chuckle this kind of culture. There's sort of karma. This is what you for your karma you're getting. This kind of a culture versions. So don't get excited with the thing. Also that police was asking me what I will be able to do. So people are not knowing, not like the other people now, Westerners and not like Indian people. So these kind of dirty politicians pull the leg and how to power money. Then they are not like that. Okay, they have common sense, understand technical knowledge. So they all are acting collectively. They know where to do, what to do. Okay. And you do not know the force, and I know the systematically way how to do things. Okay, everything has its own way. Because now the Congress leaders say, so what are the frauds? These fellows, none of them have the courage or common sense to talk straight or anything. They won't do that. This kind of attacks and these all things. So people need to understand how to approach a problem and and also I will say this also project that with America support. So America is not some god. Okay, everything we can do, and we should be independent of it. These fellows will be, everybody will be eager to screw up and all. But the thing now, we should not be a slave to anybody. There are many things. We can correct everything in the right way. So don't get excited, Sandra. Okay.